Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell items on the Doughnut SMP. Selling your goods effectively can significantly boost your in-game wealth and help you acquire the resources you need. We'll cover everything from understanding the market to setting up your very own successful shop. Get ready to turn your surplus items into valuable currency and become a master trader on the server. It's a fantastic way to engage with the community and grow your presence. Once you're ready to sell, setting up your shop is the next big step. Find a prime location, perhaps near a spawn point or a popular player hub, to maximize visibility. Use clear signs to list your items, their quantities, and your asking prices. Remember, a well-organized and secure shop, perhaps with a few chests, will attract more customers and protect your valuable inventory from any unwanted attention. Make it inviting. Effective pricing and smart inventory management are crucial for success. Always research the current market value of your items to ensure your prices are competitive, not too high or too low. Aim for a diverse inventory, offering a variety of goods to appeal to many different players. Keep an eye on what's selling well and restock those popular items regularly. A well-stocked shop with fair prices will keep customers coming back for more. Finally, don't forget to market your amazing shop. Use the global chat or any community forums to announce your presence and highlight your best deals. Consider offering special promotions or discounts to draw in new customers and create a buzz. Engaging positively with your buyers, perhaps through friendly conversation, helps build a strong reputation. A happy customer is a returning customer, and word of mouth is incredibly powerful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.